Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup. Then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.